Hey everybody, it's Dave Robles with Think Real Estate bringing you episode 17 of the great California Corona Staycation show. I'm coming to you from my backyard here in beautiful Glendale. And that's our chicken coop right there. We have chickens. And it's a beautiful day today, so I thought I'd hang out back here for a bit. And we're talking about housing market, and a lot of clients and friends have asked me, how's this affecting the market? And I think there are some things we're not going to know for a while, like have prices come down as a result of this? And if so, how much? Who knows? We can't tell that yet. We're not going to know that until we're a few months down the road and we're able to compare data. But right now, what can we look at? So here's the statistic I like to focus on. And it's how many houses have gone into escrow, that's called going under contract, in the last 8 days. And that's what this sample size is for. So let's talk about that. And let's look at Nila, which is northeast LA. This is the Hipster Corridor that includes Los Feliz, Silver Lake, Eagle Rock, Echo Park, Glassell Park, Mount Washington, all that area. 11 houses have gone into escrow in the past 8 days. And that is actually unchanged from the previous 8 days. So that's good information to have. Okay, let's look at Pasadena, okay, for all my Pasadenians. 9 houses have gone into escrow in the past 8 days in Pasadena. And that's actually one more than the previous 8-day time frame. Okay, now let's look at Glendale. In the city of Glendale, only one house has gone into escrow in the city of Glendale in the past 8 days, and that's actually down 5. The previous number was 6 houses for an 8-day period. This is down 5 houses. Now why? Why would all these other areas in Glendale be different? I have no idea. It might be an anomaly. It might just be maybe some houses went into escrow, but the agents didn't change the status in the MLS. That's a possibility, but we don't know, and we're going to keep tabs on that because I want to know. Now let's take a larger view here. City of Los Angeles. In the city of Los Angeles, 36 houses have gone into escrow in the past 8 days, and that is 7 less than the previous 8 days. Okay. And the county. Here's the county. How many houses have gone into escrow? 298 houses have gone into escrow in the past 8 days. And that is actually down by 30 houses from the previous 8 days. So that's almost a 10% drop right there. What does all this data mean? Well, it's kind of hard to really know because I wasn't tracking this like 4 months ago. And I don't think there's other statistics to really track right now except are buyers buying and at what rate? And the other question is, should buyers be buying? I mean, I'm hoping that nobody is buying out there haphazardly, because this is a time to only sell and buy if you need to. We have a property coming on the market this week. It's a condo, it's a townhouse up in Montrose. And this is an example of somebody that needs to sell. They bought another house. They moved out of the other house a couple of months ago, and they've been they bought another house. They were fixing that one up. Then they moved out of the condo to fix that up, and all this broke loose. So now they're stuck with the home they just bought, their current home. They can't afford to carry both, and they need to sell this condo. So that's an example of why someone should put their house on the market and get it sold right now. And we're going to do it for them, and we're going to do it in a safe way. In the last episode, we talked about some forms that are now used by the California Association of Realtors. We will be using those, and we'll be taking every possible measure to make sure that the people are only seeing it live if they have vetted it, okay? The game right now is no unnecessary showings whatsoever. Virtual showings, we virtually staged it. And I'll keep you abreast of what our results are in the next weeks coming, okay? So I hope you're well. I hope you're safe. It's going to rain for a couple days if you're in Southern California, so get out there today and maybe take a walk in your neighborhood. You might be a little cooped up for the next few days, so enjoy it, okay? Take care, people. Bye.